Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform the hard reset of your HTC earbuds through wireless sound. So to perform the reset, first of all you have to disconnect these earbuds from any connected devices because they are not working. I mean, the hard reset is not working when you are actually connected with any device. And so just click here and then tap to disconnect. And just forget. There we go. Right now we have to input both earbuds inside the charging case, the left and the right one. There we go. Close this case for a few seconds, then open it, and right now take them out of this case, the left and the right earbud, hold them together and click together 3 times, 1, 2 and 3, and the indicators will actually turns red. I'm not sure if you can see it right now. No, it's not good visible. But right now, when we put them back to the case, close the case, open it and take them out of this case, they will be moved to the pairing mode automatically. So right now, you can, for example, refresh the list and you can find them on the list. Accept the pairing. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So all you have to do is just to click 3 times on the both earbuds when they are not connected with any device. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.